All right, folks, we're going to do real quick. Not parallel, we did that already. Perpendicular through a point and perpendicular on it, so it's on and off the line. So let's start with perpendicular from a point on the line. So we have a line going on here. Here's the point A. I put the compass tip at the point A. Swing the arc. Okay. What that's establishing for me is my 2 points that I'm going to use. Right? I'm going to use those points to now create the additional point that's going to be outside so I can go. So I'm going to now change my span, make it a little bigger. Again, I'm going to throw this on top to make it a lot easier to see. Okay. I will now take my straight edge. There you go. Perpendicular through a point on a line. Now, if it's off the line, it's no different. It's just now you got to do one extra step. Well, just a little difference. I shouldn't say extra. It's a different step. Instead of this being where we had it already on, let me get this to the point where I hit the line. Okay. We swing an arc now. The reason we're swinging that arc so I can get those 2 points to use. And now what's going to happen when I want to swing out here. Now I'm going to make this, again, you don't have to change. I'm going to make it a little bigger so I can get a point far enough away I can see it. Because all you're doing by swinging that initial arc is creating the line segment that you're going to use. Once I have my line segment, it's just a perpendicular bisector. And once it's a perpendicular bisector, what I'm doing here is I'm creating that A is going to be the midpoint of this guy, and A is going to be on the midline here. There you go. So each one of them starts with swinging this arc to establish the endpoints of the establishing this is the midpoint and this on the midline by swinging and creating endpoints of a line segment. Then you swing off. Now I went up here because it's very easy to see. It's much easier to see on the top. And then I swung down here. Doesn't matter. I could make it bigger and swing up top. It's fine. Just makes it easier to go through the line if I'm connecting them. Hope that helped. Thanks.